Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about the customer note. Customer note in point of sale system allow you to add personalized message or instructions to the receipts or invoices, and these notes can be included for various purposes such as generating the personalized messages, special request, or marketing message, or any other internal notes. So you can just click on open register in order to open the POS by setting the opening cache. I'm going to open my point of sale. Afterwards, here you would be able to see different items that are available. I would like to add the apple pie. Then I want, yeah, uh, pecan pie. And let's add a blueberry muffin. So afterwards here you can see that we have a button called action. So this is a new button in Odoo 18, and as you just move on to the action button, you can see that we can just add the customer note. So let me add the customer note. So we just need to make this apple pie as double cheesy. So let's give the customer note as double cheesy, and we can just view this under the invoices. So as I just add the customer note, currently you can see this is just added under the blueberry muffin, but actually we don't need to add this under the blueberry muffin. So let me just remove that product from here. To remove the product, actually you can just go with this button, so that that will be removed. Now let me again re-add that, and as we just want to add the customer note for apple pie, you can select the apple pie and click on action and add the uh, note over here, that is double cheesy. So we have added that and click on apply so that it's added properly over here. Afterwards, let's add the customer over here. So I'm going to choose Barton Freeman, and let's move on to the payment section by choosing the card over here. And we just want to view the invoice. I'm enabling this, and let me click on validate. So in order to just manage with the customer node, we don't need to enable any features from the configuration settings and all. And as we have just added the customer node, we can also find the customer node under these invoices. So that's how we just make use of the customer note in your point of sale system, and you can enhance customer satisfaction by improving the operation efficiency and strengthen your brand reputations. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.